Hey y'all, what's good? It's AM Trades, and this is a trade recap for the entire week. So we have our weekly recap for the 29th of April up until the 3rd of May. And this week, I believe that our total is about 2%. So on 500,000 of capital, that is about a $10,000 gain. And yeah, so to start on Monday, if we go to, we're gonna start with news here, okay? We can see that we have Forex Factory here for this week. If you look here, we had the 29th. It was a no news Monday, and I took 2 losses, I believe. So this was negative 2%. And then on Tuesday, we traded, and I think, we made, I believe we had one trade on Tuesday, and we made 1%. And then Wednesday, we did not trade just because of the amount of news. We had NFP, ISM Manufacturing, Jolt's job openings, as well as FOMC. So if we didn't have FOMC, I would have traded Wednesday. However, we did have, and I did not trade. And then Thursday, I traded unemployment claims, and we made about, I think, 2% that day. So that brings us up to a positive 1% on the week. And then Friday, we made another 1%. So that is 2% for the week, which isn't a bad week. Not a losing week, not that big of a winning week, but it is what it is, and we just try and keep it consistent, capital preservation over anything. So we ended the week with 2%, and then if we move here to our chart, we can see that Monday, because there was no news, and we were expecting FOMC the next day, and high impact news on Tuesday, we actually did not move very much at all. You can see we were like really, really, really sideways, as well as we had tech earnings on Thursday as well. I forgot to mention, which is this big move up, which is not news related. However, it is an aftermarket event and does affect the markets quite heavily. So Monday, we took 2 losses. We were trying to long up to the daily for value gap on the NASDAQ. However, I failed to realize that it was an SMT forming with ES, and ES actually filled it while the NASDAQ did not. And then Tuesday, we can see that we had the big move down during unemployment claims. I believe that's what it was. Yeah, unemployment cost index, sorry. And then at 10 a.m. we had the news as well. And moving forward past that, we had Wednesday, the big FOMC spike. And this is when Powell stepped on stage, manipulated upwards, and then distributed, took out liquidity here, and then came back down and took the equal lows here. And then just displacement after market. And we can see that Thursday, which was a very interesting day for trading, came in, and we saw a big move up due to all of the news. As well as on Wednesday, we had a whole lot of news, which is what this kind of chop was as well. And then finally, we had NFP on Friday, so this morning, and then I ended up taking 2 trades. One was to the downside where we hit TP1, and then the second was to the upside where we actually got stopped out at break even before closing, and it would have been about a 1 to 2.5 if we had closed at market close. So yeah, with that being said, that is our weekly recap. And then if we look into what our next week is going to be like, Monday and Tuesday we have no news. I will likely not be trading on Monday, and I will be trading on Tuesday. Wednesday I will be trading. We have bond auction, just a orange folder news day. And then Thursday, unemployment claims I will be trading, as well as Friday, which is consumer sentiment. However, on Friday I will be waiting at least until 10 a.m. before I place anything in the market. And yeah, that's everything. And then bond auctions, I don't really care for that. I'm usually out of the market anyway by 1 p.m. And so no trades on Monday next week. And then we are hopefully going to see some nice moves and nice, volatility in the market. But yeah, like I said, please go and check out the TikTok as well as the Instagram. They have lots of value, and I post a lot of lifestyle stuff there as well. And all of my P&Ls are on my Instagram, and I post them daily as I'm trading, as well as my ongoing trades sometimes as well. So yeah, with that being said, I thank you guys for watching, and really go check out as well my zero to hero funded journey so far. I'm over $100,000 in funded, which is 6 figures, and I continue to stack accounts, and I will be over 1 million funded by the end of the year. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.